Well, we're gonna put some exhaust mufflers on the Ranchero. We're gonna clamp it together, which probably isn't the best or how exhaust shop would do it, but that's what we got at the moment. So we're gonna give it a go and see how it goes. We backed it up on some ramps to give us a little extra height, and then we're gonna jack up the front and put some jack stands underneath it so that we're safe. So that's what we're fixing to do.
If y'all didn't see the last video, we got the headers installed, and they're very loud, to say the least, and they put off some noise. Okay, right now we're about to start clamping stuff. I think we're gonna clamp together the mufflers and everything first before we put the flange on, and then we're just gonna put it all up under there at once. But is that what we're doing?
That's what we're doing. We want that like that. Which way do we want these to
What?
go on there? The U-bolts. We want them down this way so we can get to them properly.
Yeah.
So that means we need to flip this way.
Okay, we're putting on these clamps right now, and
It's gonna look right.
they may not have enough thread to get it squeezed down as tight as we need, so hopefully it works. And just suck them down with the impact.
Butchered. It's on there. I don't know if it's gonna leak or not.
Only one way to find out, right? Okay. Get another clamp on there and